In my experience, زما په تجربه کې. In my experience, I have observed that. ما د دغه قتل کړي یا ما د دغه مشاهده کړي. I have observed that. Why are you creating the scene? ته تماشه ولې جوړای؟ Why are you creating the scene? I know you very well. زه تا ډیر ښه پیژنم. I know you very well. I have no opinion on this matter. په دې معامله کې زما هیڅ رای نشته. I have no opinion on this matter. I am busy right now. زه اوس مصروفه یم. I am busy right now. Are you busy? آیا ته مصروفه یې؟ Are you busy? Can you call me? آیا ته ما ته کال کولی شې؟ Can you call me? I go to school every day. زه روزانه سکول ته ځم. I go to school every day. Let me go out. ما بهر تلو ته پرېږده. Let me go out. See what's happening. وګوره چې څه حساب دی یا وګوره چې څه روان دي. See what's happening. Let bygones be bygones. چې څه وشو هغه وشو. Let bygones be bygones. I don't need your sympathy. ما ته ستا د همدردۍ ضرورت نشته. I don't need your sympathy. I wake up at 5 a.m. زه سهار 5 بجې پاسم. I wake up at 5 a.m. I sleep at 10 p.m. زه د شپې 10 بجې اوده کېږم. I sleep at 10 p.m. I have 2 cars. زما سره 2 موټرې دي. I have 2 cars. I have 2 children. زما 2 واړه دي. I have 2 children. I will go out. زه به بهر ته وځم. I will go out. It seems to me. راته ښکاري یا دا ماته ښکاري. It seems to me. I am learning Pashto. زه پښتو زده کوم. I am learning Pashto. I go to the office every day. زه روزانه دفتر ته ځم. I go to the office every day. I will come to your house. زه به ستا کور ته درځم. I will come to your house. He is good for nothing. هغه بې فایدې دی یا هغه د هیڅ کار نه دی. He is good for nothing. Or he is useless. هغه بې فایدې دی. He is useless. Let's go out. راځئ چې بهر ته وځو. Let's go out. Wait for him. هغه ته انتظار وکړه. Wait for him. Wait for me. ما ته انتظار وکړه. Wait for me. I need to go. ما ته د تلو ضرورت دی. I need to go. You need to go. تا ته د تلو ضرورت دی. You need to go. They will come. دوی براشي یا هغوی براشي. They will come. Can you come? آیا ته راتلی شي؟ Can you come? What to teach? څه پړاو کو. What to teach? I am getting late. په ما ناوخته کیږي. I am getting late. What to do? څه وکړو. What to do? He has gone. هغه تللی دی. He has gone. I am bored. زه ستړی شوی یم یا زه بور شوی یم. I am bored. Mend your ways. سم شه یا خپل ځان سم کا. Mend your ways. Is that okay? آیا هغه صحیح دی؟ Is that okay? You can do it. ته دا کولی شي. You can do it. You can call me anytime. ته هر وخت ما ته فون کولی شي. You can call me anytime. I really appreciate it. زه واقعي د دې صفت کوم. I really appreciate it. Who are you? ته څوک یې؟ Who are you? Who are they? هغوی څوک دي؟ Who are they? Why are you laughing? ته ولې خاندې؟ Why are you laughing? How old are you? ستا عمر څه دی؟ یا ستا عمر څومره دی؟ How old are you? That's not right. دا صحیح نه ده. That's not right. Don't talk back. الټه جواب مه ورکوه یا واپس جواب مه ورکوه. Don't talk back. It happens. داسې کیږي. It happens. Why do you act so pricey? ته دومره لاندې حرکت ولې کوې؟ Why do you act so pricey? When did it happen? دا کله وشو؟ When did it happen? Where is your attention? ستا توجه کوم خوا ده؟ Where is your attention? Why are you so shy? ته دومره شرمېږې ولې؟ Why are you so shy? By the way, what are you doing right now? خسې ته اوس څه کوې؟ By the way, what are you doing right now? It just beginning. اوس خو صرف شروعات دي. It just beginning. You have crossed all limits. ته خو د ټولو حدونو نه ووتې. You have crossed all limits. Comb your hair. ویښته دې منګس کا. Comb your hair. Let him take the time. پرېږده چې هغه وخت واخلي. Let him take the time. Keep it to yourself. دا خپل ځان سره کېږده. Keep it to yourself. Put it back. دا واپس کېږده. Put it back. Put it down. دا ښکته کېږده. Put it down. I kept it. دا ما کېښودو. I kept it. Meet me there. ما سره هلته میلاو شه. Meet me there. Get rid of this. د دې نه ځان خلاص کا. Get rid of this. Write in پښتو. پښتو کې ولیکه. Write in پښتو. Please agree. مهرباني وکړه راضي شه. Please agree. Get me there. ما هلته ورسوه. Get me there. Why don't you eat something? ته څه خورې ولې نه؟ Why don't you eat something? I am telling the truth. زه رښتیا ویم. I am telling the truth. What's up these days? دې ورځو کې څه نوي تازه دي؟ What's up these days? How did you come here? دلته څنګه راتلو وشو؟ How did you come here? I was around. زه خوا و شا وم. I was around. د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.